Welcome back to making a UE5 tutorial every day for the rest of my life. It's day 8. We've managed to last a week, and today we're covering falling leaves. Before you begin this tutorial, you're going to want to download this lovely red maple leaf from Sketchfab. And I will put the link in the description, so you guys should be able to grab it pretty easily. But download this, upload it into Unreal Engine, but when you're uploading, make sure you reduce the size down to like 0.03, I think, was what worked for me. But you guys can mess around with it and change it to your heart's content. So we're going to recreate this, and I'm going to leave this one here, but I'll put the other one somewhere else so you guys can see it working. To begin, you're going to want to get a Niagara system, and you're going to set it to hanging particles. We'll call this one falling leaves test. We also call it test at the end, I've noticed. We'll open that bad boy up and drag it in. Okay, so the first two things we're going to do is we're going to get rid of scale sprite size and scaled color. We're going to also get rid of the sprite renderer, and we're going to get a mesh renderer instead. Drop this down and set this to the maple leaf red. We're also going to change the spawn rate to about 15, and then we're going to add gravity force. And you should already start to see this dropping down. There's one more thing we're going to want to add, and that is a collision, so that it actually hits the ground and doesn't just go through the floor if it's got a bit of extra time. And then we can just test this out. Drag this out. We'll drag it up a little bit. As you can see, it's spawning, it's hitting the ground, and then whatever time it's got left, it'll sit on the ground until it finally auto destroys. Hopefully you found this tutorial useful. Leave a little like, subscribe if you're new here, and as always, thank you so much guys for watching, and I will see you tomorrow.